Hello everybody, this is my first unboxing and in front of me I have a mobile phone I bought from a pre-sale. It's been delivered to Germany. The phone name is IIIF150 and the model name we see right here is Air1 Pro. It says it's manufactured in Hong Kong, and to my surprise the company address is actually in Romania, in Brașov, Romania. So this must be the best Romanian phone there is. It's still sealed, just came, and let's talk a little bit about specs. The screen is 6.5 inches, 60 Hertz. We have Android 12 inside, and the processor is MTK G37, and it is MediaTek Helio that provides entry gaming smartphones with peak speeds of 2.3 GHz from its capable octa-core ARM Cortex A53. We have 3 rear cameras, 48, 20 and 2 megapixel, 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. Front camera is 8 megapixel. What important is to say is that the battery is 5000, which is pretty decent, and it has a fingerprint scanner. Let's open it. The color of the phone is maple. Looks like orange, but its fancy name is maple, as we see here. Looks really beautiful, and it's an outdoor model of a phone. Here we see something really interesting, and now I see from the specs online this is going to be a night vision camera from Sony. What we have inside is a SIM needle, a short guide, charger, it's not a fast charger, it's only 18 watt. Cable inside, type C. Screen to be put on, and wipes. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my first unboxing video. Bye.